Hey everybody, welcome back and happy Monday. I hope everybody's doing amazing this Monday morning. Welcome back to Lasean's PTO, where I do present you with part-time only remote opportunities. So we had some great opportunities last week and I'm coming to you this week. I should be uploading at least twice this week. Check out the screen and you will see client testimonials from my clients who have had success with my resume services, whether it's been a review, a revamp, coaching. They have gotten interviews. They've also landed jobs, moved to the assessment process. So right now I do have a special and it's going to be $20 off any service, $45 or more, using the code SPECIAL20. So if you've been wanting to take advantage of my services, this is definitely the time. And I also have Afterpay on my site and Klarna as well for those of you who are on a budget. So this is going to last until the end of the week. So take advantage of this sale while you can. I look forward to a sale. So let's start off with our first one. Now this one is going to be great because it's going to be an evening and weekend opportunity for you. So get your applications in as soon as possible. And it's coming from Pro Athlete. So this company right here, which is based in Kansas City, is a e-commerce company, and they specialize in sporting goods, and they're primarily known for operating niche retail sites like Just Bats, Just Gloves, and Just Paddles. And right now they do have a part-time customer service rep, evenings and weekends. And so as I always state when I post these type of jobs, I'm not sure when the training is. So if the training is during the work week, then this will not work for those of you who work full time, but they're not mentioning that. We don't know. So, you can get your application in and hope for the best. Now, this is going to be assisting customers via social media, phone calls, live chats, questions and answers, product reviews, and emails. And they would like for you to be a product expert in baseball and softball hats and gloves and any other inventory that they offer through their e-commerce platforms. You're going to be reviewing orders to reduce the number of credit card chargeback claims. You'll be initiating UPS claims on lost or damaged packages, and you're going to also walk the customers through a returns process and also place orders over the phone, create letters, quotes, and correspondence as requested, and communicate effectively with the customers. So they just want you to have customer client focus and be detailed, and of course have problem solving skills. Now it says right here that this position can be worked on site, hybrid, or remotely. And with this opportunity, it's going to be about 20 to 25 hours per week. They're looking for weekend coverage. Saturdays 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Sundays 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., and with some evening shifts during the week, but it's preferred that the candidate is available to start at or before 4 p.m. So I do have the compensation highlighted for you here. So great opportunity for you. Make sure to get your apps in as soon as possible. So let's move on to the next one, which is coming from Understood Care. So Understood Care is a healthcare platform that provides personal patient advocates and care coordinators for Medicare beneficiaries. Right now they're looking for a patient advocate. So this one is going to be 1099. It's going to be a little bit more casual. And so getting into more details about that, it's going to be a minimum of 10 hours a week, and they prefer those with 20 hours per week availability. And it's going to be 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern time, so they want you to have availability within that time range. So I do have the compensation for this one highlighted for you. So this one is going to involve member-facing contact after a member's intake appointment, and you're going to help members understand how to access healthcare services, including finding providers and using insurance information, and also scheduling appointments. You'll assist members with navigation issues, so this could be with the online portal, referrals, appointment logistics, application forms, and referral workflows. And you're going to also use information made available through the platform, so this could be social determinants of health, and this can help identify practical support needs and available resources. You're going to also make sure to document those member interactions and also provide member support in a warm, empathetic, and culturally responsive manner. So they like 3 years of experience in providing member-facing support. So this could be in healthcare, social services, benefits navigation, care coordination, also a strong knowledge of the U.S. healthcare system, including Medicare and common healthcare navigation issues faced by Medicare patients. Also, the ability to manage member support activities in a self-directed manner and comfort using technology, which could include EHRs, CRMs, and member messaging tools and scheduling tools as well. Now, they do have some preferences for professional credentials such as RN, CMA, and BCPA. That's preferred, it's not required. So our next opportunity is coming from Extrity Services, which is a private security agency, and they provide armed and unarmed security guards, mobile surveillance units, and VIP protection for commercial, residential, and event settings. And right now they're looking for an outreach specialist to work part-time. And so with this one, you're going to prepare and complete personalized outreach items per day. So this could be digital, printed, or formatted for their sales initiatives. And you're going to ensure all outreach materials are accurate, professional, and aligned with branding and quality standards. You'll also organize, batch, and prepare outreach letters for timely delivery and perform CRM hygiene tasks, which can include cleaning, updating, and verifying HubSpot contact data. You'll be sourcing and researching contact lists using the CRM and the external platforms to identify potential candidates. And you'll create simple Canva graphics to support marketing content and outreach campaigns. And you'll assist with social media management. This can include scheduling posts and monitoring engagement. And you'll maintain daily reporting on quantities of outreach completed and delivered. So you will need strong attention to detail and experience with CRM systems. They prefer HubSpot, basic Canva proficiency, high school diploma or equivalent, and they would prefer some experience in outreach, marketing support, or data-driven administrative roles. So our next opportunity is coming from Podimetrics, and this company right here combines advanced remote monitoring and personalized support to enable early intervention to improve health outcomes for high-risk individuals with complex diabetes. And right now they're looking for an onboarding specialist. So this is per diem, so it's going to be as needed. And so with this one right here, it's going to involve conducting outbound phone calls to patients to introduce the Smart Map program, explain its benefits, and complete intake information. You'll also guide patients step by step through device setup and the first successful scan, ensuring confidence and readiness to participate in ongoing monitoring. And you'll use educational techniques to encourage engagement and overcome hesitation. You'll be documenting the interactions and progress in the electronic health record, and you'll track outreach results, including call attempts, contact rates, and follow pre-written scripts and communication prompts while maintaining a natural, empathetic tone, and you'll report any technical issues as well. And so they do want prior experience in call center, healthcare support, patient engagement, or device sales roles. They also want you to be comfortable with Google Workspace, and they will prefer those that are bilingual in English and Spanish and have prior experience in healthcare, remote patient monitoring, or medical device onboarding, and familiarity with performance metrics such as call volume, activation rates, and conversion cycles. I do have the compensation highlighted for you here. So these are all the opportunities that I have for you guys today. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. You guys know that I appreciate you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Good luck to everyone who gets to apply for the jobs.